Hi guys, today is Tuesday. My video is walking in the park with my dog, and I just finished about 5 hours ago at the gym, so now I have time my dog to walk. Yes, it's nice outside guys, nice. My dog having fun at the park. Come on, Doogie. Go walk, Mama. Go bye-bye. Say hello, guys. I am walking in the park. Nice outside.